Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos. Yo, what's up friends, I'm Sholazari and welcome to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in this room. Unfortunately friends, this part of our video would not match with the rest of our video. This part was shot later on because I deleted the original part by mistake. This was a requested tutorial and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to do the thumb fan. So without any further ado, grab onto a deck of cards and let's get started. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue. Okay friends, here's how the thumb fan looks like. It looks just like this. And it's a very beautiful flourish as you can see. So I'm about to teach you this flourish. There are many tutorials on this flourish on YouTube, but the ones that I've seen, none of those actually explain the right way. According to their explanation, you're going to curl in your pinky and your ring finger and you're going to stretch out these two fingers and then you're going to keep the deck over here and then you're going to hold it over here with the thumb and then you're going to do the fan. But that is not the right way, because as you go and do the fan, this card actually can't go more inside and your fan actually gets stuck over here because of these two fingers. They block their way. Okay guys, here's how I do it. First of all, you're going to need a deck of cards which is almost new. Mine is not new, but it will actually work. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold the deck of cards just like this. So you're going to stretch out all of these fingers just like this, and after that what you're going to do is you're going to bring down these two fingers, your ring finger and your pinky. You're going to bring both of them down like this, and then you're going to hold the deck over here like this with this edge aligned from the point where the fingers are starting like this, and then you're going to pinch down over here with your thumb. Now you're not going to pinch it down very tightly or very casually, because if you do it very tightly, then the cards won't actually come out for the fan. But if you keep it very casually, then the cards would come out just like this and the remaining top portion of the deck won't be fanned. So to make it a uniform fan, you need to know how much pressure you are going to apply. Now after you know how much pressure you have to apply, what you are going to do is, as you hold the deck like this and you're set with the right pressure, you are going to use your other hand and you're going to hold the deck just like this. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to just tilt the cards just like this and you're going to form these two edges a little bit inclined. So as that happens, these cards will actually spread uniformly. And so after doing this, what you're going to do is you're going to press down over here with the thumb and then you're going to just do this motion, which is going to cause the cards to spin around this point just like this. Now if you are actually using an old deck, then what is going to happen is the cards will actually stick to each other and you won't be able to make a perfect fan. So for that reason, what I would suggest you to do is give these cards a shuffle. You can do a riffle shuffle just like this, but I would suggest you not to do a riffle shuffle because it damages the card. You can do a faro shuffle instead and this would give you a more perfect fan. So after you have put the cards just like this, and if you are actually going to fan the cards facing this side upwards, then you're going to press this side downwards just like this and do the shuffle. And after you have done the shuffle, you can see the card actually perfectly fans. Otherwise the card would have stuck to each other. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing little card flourish called the thumb fan. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @Shol_Zari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!